Chapter 6. I asked Max what his plan would cost me. I didn't know how he was thinking about creating the action figure, and as much as I liked the idea, I had to understand the cost and benefit. Max's answer was very surprising to me. Lesson on the left. A business can do exciting and fun things, but the business can only keep going if it brings in more money than it spends. It's hard to create products, but it can be even harder to sell them. So you have to choose business projects carefully. This is a really fun one to talk about, and I'd love to dive further into this in some sort of a class or a discussion. So throughout my professional fighting career, as I progressed and got better and got more well-known, so many different things were thrown at me. Opportunities here, opportunities there. Now, a lot of people ask, this book, go figure, did someone actually approach me and ask to create an action figure? No, that part is fiction. Nobody asked to create an action figure of me. But there were many other opportunities where there was these promises of making a lot of money, making good money. This will be super successful. And so I had to become used to the fact or aware of the fact that, the vast majority of this is too good to be true. This lesson talks about business. I have a business. I created a business after professional fighting. Professional fighting was a business. A business is a business if it makes money. A lot of you might want to be a YouTuber or a TikToker or a social media influencer. Great, cool, fun. There are a lot of people who make a lot of money doing that, but it is really stinking hard. And in here it says it's hard to create products, but it can be even harder to sell them. I create so much stuff that nobody cares about and nobody buys. Part of this idea of developing strength, resilience, perseverance, all of these things I talk about through my assembly program, through professional fighting, I also have to practice in business. I've created thousands of podcast episodes that 50 people have listened to. There are podcasts that get millions of people listening to them. I think they're awesome, but it's not a business unless you think they're awesome. So understand that whatever path you choose in life, if you want it to be a business, you actually have to make money. If you don't do that, then it's something you like to do. I'm real time as I record this, going through thinking to myself, hey, it's podcasting. I love doing it, but my time is like, I don't have a lot of extra time. So is podcasting something I want to keep doing or not? Because if it's just a hobby, well, then I don't know if I can prioritize it amongst other things. It's really important. I encourage you to chase your dreams, follow your dreams, dream big, work hard, chase your goals. But if you're looking to develop those things into a business, always remember that it has to make money.